Hello, I am Virginia Cunningham, and this is my DBQ. Before we get started, I apologize for the background noise. That is my puppy Rue. So first off, we have a picture of my brother and I in Chicago. This is my favorite picture of me and a family member, just because you can really grasp the energy that was there in a way. As you can see, it was very fun. My brother and my dad, we drove up all the way from here to Chicago to go to one of our second cousins' bar mitzvahs. And growing up in New Orleans, their snow is very uncommon. And so since it started snowing there, and it was very fun to mess around in it. I actually have two brothers. My other one graduated just last year, and so he's going to Bates, and there's going to be a lot more snow. My second picture is a picture of my family's yearbooks. So instead of doing a Christmas card or a Happy New Year's card, we send out yearbooks to family, friends, and distant relatives. My mom makes these, and it was her idea. And we have I think our yearbooks date back all the way from 2007. So it is very fun for my family and I to flip through them and see how far we've grown. The next picture is a picture from first year of junior year with my friends. These people are like a second family to me, and they're obviously in the same grade. And so it was very fun. We went to Morgan Le Bourgeois' house for breakfast before school, and yeah, had a blast. These are buttons from my friends given to me. I hang them up on my bulletin board because they're very cute. It's usually when we get buttons from our athletic teams, we give them out to each other. And so these are just a few. Yeah. The next picture is a picture from last year of the class. We went, I think it was the weekend before exam week. We went to the Fly, and we had a grade bonding activity where there was a slip and slide and a shaving cream fight. So it was really fun to see everybody instead of just seeing them at school. And I had a blast interacting with people I usually don't. So a lot of connection happened over that weekend, and hopefully more throughout the year. Here is my favorite tennis trophy. Essentially, this was a pretty big tournament over, I think, in the North Shore. I really like this trophy because of its height. I don't think the picture here gives it justice. I think it was from last year, and this is first place. It was a very fun tournament, and I like to hang out with my other friends who are tennis people too. So this last picture is of one of Micah Pierce and I, who's a senior this year at with our state trophy last season. I love tennis season. It's my favorite time of the year because I don't know really what makes it happen, but every year, even with the different people, there's a lot of chemistry, and so it's very fun. We've won twice in a row, and we have a very good shot of winning again this year, and hopefully next, because somehow, it's not surprising, but Newman really has some good tennis kids. They're very good. And so, winning state twice is a very big accomplishment for me. And obviously, here are my top 3 most important values: family, friends, and tennis. So, hope you liked my documents.